Welcome back to our channel.
This is called alloy, and it's how we get super strong materials melted, then we let them cool down together. Voila! Making alloys.
Hey there, science fans. Have you ever wondered how we make metals super strong? It's like magic, but with science, we mix them up to make something even better. This is called alloying, and it's how we get super strong materials for almost everything. Think of it like baking a cake. You mix flour, sugar, and eggs to get something tastier than just flour alone, right? Alloys are the same. We mix different metals, kind of like ingredients, to make a new metal that's stronger, harder, or even shinier. This mixing happens when the metals are super hot and melted. Then we let them cool down together. Voila, we get a brand new material with its own cool name, like steel or bronze. Pretty neat, huh? So, next time you see a skyscraper, a car, or even a shiny coin, remember that alloys are the secret ingredient making them strong and awesome. Let's talk about the different gangs in the metal world. First up, we have the iron friends. These alloys always have iron in them. The most famous one is steel. It's like the Superman of metals. We use it everywhere, from bridges to buildings, because it's super strong and tough. But not all alloys are friends with iron. Some prefer to hang out with other metals. These are the metal mixers, or non-ferrous alloys. They like to be different. One famous metal mixer is bronze. It's made by mixing copper and tin. It's strong and tough, just like steel, but it doesn't rust as easily. That's why we use it for things like statues and medals. Another cool metal mixer is brass. It's a mix of copper and zinc, and it has this beautiful golden shine. We use it for musical instruments, doorknobs, and even fancy decorations. So you see, whether it's the iron friends or the metal mixers, alloys come in all shapes and sizes, each with its own superpowers. Making alloys is like a hot metal dance party. First, we crank up the heat and melt all the metals we want to mix. Imagine a giant pot of molten metal, glowing red hot. Once everything is melted and mixed together perfectly, it's time to cool things down. We pour this hot metal mixture into molds, kind of like making giant metal ice cubes. As the metal cools down and hardens, something amazing happens. The different metal atoms get locked in place, creating a whole new material with its own unique properties. And just like that, our metal dance party is over, and we have a brand new alloy ready to take on the world. So why do we go through all this trouble to make alloys? Well, it's because mixing metals can give them superpowers. Think about steel again. By adding just a tiny bit of carbon to iron, we make it incredibly strong. It becomes so strong that we can use it to build skyscrapers that touch the clouds. But strength is not the only superpower. Alloys can also be more resistant to rust and corrosion. That means they won't easily crumble or break down when exposed to air and water. They can also be made to be lighter, harder, or even change their melting point. It's like giving them a whole new set of skills. Alloying is a bit like magic, but it's the science behind it that makes it so cool. And the best part is that scientists are always finding new ways to mix metals and create even more amazing materials.